Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the speed of your video in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects, or if you want to start a new one, click on that plus icon, and from your gallery you have to select one of your videos that you would like to edit. I'm going to use this one, and now on the bottom of the screen you have to click on the edit option, and after that click on the speed. And now you have two options. The normal, here you can select the duration and the exact speed for your video, and if you are done, click on that check mark. Or if you want to select the curve option, here you can custom, or there are some options like the hero, flash in, flash out, and so on. So these are the options for changing the speed of your videos. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.